OutBack Engineering has asked me to send them some more information about the leaking combiner box that we had. We've had two of them that have had a leakage problem coming in from up here. We mounted them in this position on the roof with this on the top side and this on the bottom side, and this was on the bottom side, and then we had the solar modules connecting up on this side here. That's where the wiring came in, and we had knocked out one place here to put our own conduit in, and then we used this one up here for the other wires. So those were the only two openings which had wires coming in, and the outside of the box looks clean. There's no sign of water damage on the outside anywhere. This is the top side here. I don't really see any evidence of corrosion or anything, but I'm gonna film the whole box so we have a record of it. And then of course this was the bottom side here. I'm going to flip it back up again this way, and this is what the box looks like when it's open. And I'm going to turn it so we get better light on it. The water came in up through here. This was the top side, and you can actually see that there is discolorization on the top left half of the box. The right half here looks clean. Doesn't look like any water came in through there. I don't see any sign of water coming in on the hinge area. It all looks pretty clean to me. It looks really bad on this corner here, and then going all the way down here, and this is where the water had accumulated down here all the way across the bottom. There was about an inch of water on the bottom side, and again the water seemed to flow more on the left side down. Right side doesn't seem like much came in on that side, but it's definitely discolorization coming down from top to bottom on the left side of the box, and the same thing has happened with both of the boxes that we installed.